Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of sharing files on Google Drive, making collaboration easy and efficient. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure that you can share your files confidently. Step 1. Sign in to Google Drive. Begin by navigating to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to access your Drive. Step 2. Upload your file, if necessary. If the file you want to share isn't already in your Drive, you'll need to upload it. Click on the plus new button located in the upper left corner. Select File Upload and choose the file from your device. Once uploaded, you'll find it in your Drive. Step 3. Select the file or folder to share. Locate the file or folder you wish to share. Right-click on it to bring up a context menu. Alternatively, you can select the file and click on the Share icon located at the top right of the page. Step 4. Open the Share settings. In the Sharing Settings window that appears, you'll see options to share with specific people or generate a link. If you want to share with specific individuals, enter their email addresses in the designated field. Step 5. Set permission levels. After entering email addresses, you can set permission levels for each person. You have 3 options. Viewer. They can only view the file. Commenter. They can view and comment on the file. Editor. They can edit the file. Choose the appropriate level based on how much access you want to grant. Step 6. Add a message. Optional. If you want to include a message with your invitation, you can do so in the text box provided. This can help recipients understand what the file is about or why you're sharing it with them. Step 7. Send the invitation. Once you have entered everything, click the Send button. The recipients will receive an email notification with a link to the shared file or folder. Step 8. Generate a shareable link. Optional. If you prefer to share the file via a link, click on Get Link in the Share settings. You can adjust link sharing options to allow anyone with the link to view, comment, or edit the file by changing the permissions in the drop-down menu. Step 9. Copy the link. After setting the desired permissions, click on Copy Link to save the link to your clipboard. You can then share this link through email, messaging apps, or any other platform. Step 10. Manage sharing settings. You can always manage sharing settings by right-clicking the file again and selecting Share. Here, you can change permissions, add or remove people, or stop sharing entirely. Now you are ready to collaborate seamlessly using Google Drive. Your files are shared and your team can easily work together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.